Alpine Pat here, Sunday, November 26th. And this just ain't any old Sunday. This is opening day Sunday. Opening day for the 2023-2024 ski and snowboard season at Alpine Valley. This is the big opening day. This is what we all been waiting for. And I never seen so many smiles on people's faces, you know. Lady, come here, come here. Get over here. One of my favorite season pass holders, friends right here. And how are the conditions?
It's beautiful. Couldn't be better.
You hold a nice edge and no any icy spots?
It's better than I anticipated.
Really?
Pretty
Good.
awesome.
Good. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I tell you, you're going to procrastinate, you're going to miss out. Get out here. I'm not sure the hours for next week, but we'll be, I think we'll be open all week. So, but today, opening day. Get out here. Don't procrastinate. Yeah.